in this particular video, most of the farmers that want to go into hatchery, I want to show you the incubators that is necessary for you to go into your hatchery business. Many farmers are avoiding hatchery, and that's why our day-old chicks is always increasing on daily basis. From 800 to 1,800 to 2,000 to 2,300 to 2,500. And it will continue increasing if most farmers don't go into hatchery business. I don't know why you are avoiding hatchery. You have the capacity to rear 2,000 broilers. You have the capacity to rear 4,000 broilers. I know most of my farmers, most of my customers that are rearing up to 10,000 broilers at a stretch. You have this money to rear 1,000 broilers, 5,000, 8,000, and you can't go into hatchery business. You can't hatch your own broilers and rear them by yourself. You depend on buying day-old chicks at a exorbitant price. That is why our day-old chicks is always increasing on each market day. Today alone is being sold, male line is being sold 2,300, 2,200. And I'm sure it will continue going up and up. So the more we go into hatchery business, the less the price of day-old chicks in the market. Let me show you most of the incubators, from mini incubator to industrial incubator, that is necessary for you to go into hatchery. You can start from somewhere. Start from scratch. You must not start from big. Like this one now. Now let me show you this. This is 120 egg capacity incubator. You can see it. This is fully automated. Let me on it and show you how it works. You can see this. You can see it here. This is 120 egg capacity incubator. See it. Each of these is, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you count this should be 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 120 egg capacity incubator. This is a very good incubator for you to start with. You can see it is fully automated. Fully automated. You can see it is fully automated. This is high density digital mini incubator. It has the humidity, it has the temperature, it has the timer. Everything is in control by itself. It controls itself. It turns the egg at the normal time and it hatches on the due date. It has humidity built in, automatic humidity built in. If you are a poultry farmer and you want to hatch eggs below 150 eggs, between 120 to 130, you can use this incubator. For chicken egg, it's about 120 egg capacity. Other small eggs like quails and guinea fowl, all those ones you can hatch more than that. But now, why don't you buy this incubator? It's not too costly. This incubator is less than 350,000. You can buy it and start hatching chicken eggs from there. You need it. You can still get double of this, 120, 120, just like story building. The next one will be on top of this, and they are independent power supply. Starts from here. If you don't need this, we can show you other ones. With 350,000 naira, you can get this incubator for your own backyard egg hatching. Not only hatching alone, it uses low power supply. You can use solar system. Inverter, small inverter can carry this. Small generator can as well carry it. You don't need too much of power. You don't need high voltage power supply to use this incubator. Now you can see where you place your eggs. These are the egg trays. You can see this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times 12. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 120 eggs. After the 13 days, 18th day, you remove this tray completely and spray the eggs on top of this. You remove the trays completely. It's detachable. You can detach the trays and keep the eggs here while they hatch between 19 and the 21st day. Your eggs are hatched. And you hatch superb chickens because this incubator is fully automated. Why not go for it now? If you need it, send me a message on my WhatsApp line. Let's discuss. But if you are not serious, please don't come and disturb my line. Please don't come and waste my time. It is only for those that are ready for it. I've told you the price. Now don't come and ask me how much is it. This is 350,000 naira. Average of 350. I don't know when you watch this video. If you are watching this video in 2026, between now, this is February 2026, it's 350. Not when you watch it in 2020 or 2050. You come back and tell you, but you said it is 350,000. It is 350 now. This is February 2026. So I don't know when you watch the video, you come back and tell me that this is what you say in the video. I'm saying it because this is 2026 February. Today is February 2nd, 2026. So if you are coming between now, you get it about 350,000 naira for 120 egg automated, fully digital incubator that can hatch your egg backyard, even for commercial purpose also. Now this is another incubator. This incubator is 112 egg capacity incubator. This incubator can use battery, can use motor battery, that's direct current and alternate current. For motor battery, this is where you connect your motor battery, negative and positive. It can use even smaller, as small as their battery it is, even if it's ordinary keke battery, 3-cycle battery can power this incubator. It is very low in power consumption. It's only 80 watts. It's only 80 watts. You can see it. It's 80 watts. Very low voltage. Now let's on it now. Purely digital. Can see it. This is the humidity control. This is temperature control. This is day timing, day counting, and this is turning timing. Whenever it gets to 2 hours, it will turn the egg inside the incubator by itself automatically. This is working now. It is working now. It is fully automated incubator. You can see it. This is different egg setting. It has 2 sets. You can see this is another set. You can see it. The set here is different. This one is different. Both the up and down takes about 112 egg capacity. So this incubator is available for you. It is very powerful incubator. If you count the number of eggs here, it takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 56, 56 times 2. This 112 egg capacity. It has 2 steps. You can see the second step here. You place egg there, place egg here, and power it. 80 watts. That's only 80 watts. Even I pass my neighbor generator can power this. Motor battery, small motorcycle battery, 3-cycle battery can power it. You just connect the negative and positive. That's all. You can use either battery, use solar, inverter, or electricity, or even small generator can power this. This is good for your domestic use. It is also good for commercial use also. Depending on the number of eggs you want to hatch, provided it is within 112 egg, this can do it for you. This incubator is not costly. With only 300,000 naira, you can get this incubator. Only 300,000 can give you this incubator. If you are buying it within this period, this is 2026, and we're in February 2026, not 2050. You come back and say, I mentioned 300,000 naira in 20. No. If you're coming now, this is what you can use. Start hatching your own eggs from your farm. Instead of buying day-old chicks on daily basis, it increases the price of day-old chicks because the demand is too high. Day-old chicks is sold based on demand. That's why at times you see that the price will fall up to 800, 700, 750. Most times it will go up to 2,000, 2003, 2004 because of the high demand of the chicks. Only few farmers are in the business. So those few of them are dominating the market and it's increasing the cost of day-old chicks. Why not go into your own hatchery today and help us reduce the cost of day-old chicks in the market? This is another big one. You can see this. This is a big incubator. This is industrial type. This incubator worth 4.5 million naira. You can see it. This is about 4. This is 3,168 egg capacity. You can see each of the trays here. You can see each of these trays contains how many eggs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is about 88 eggs. You can see the number of trays. It has automatic turner. Everything is automatic here. This is a very big one. 3,108 egg that worth 4.5 million naira. It's industrial. You want to go into industrial hatching. You want to hatch large quantity of eggs. This is the kind of incubator you make use of. So let's go to the another bigger one that's bigger than this. That's it here. You can see the power controller. It is full automated incubator, timer, humidity control, temperature control, and power supply. Everything is here. Another incubator. This is another big one. This is 6,360 egg capacity incubator. This incubator is giant incubator for your industrial hatching. We call it industrial incubator. It is bigger than the last one I showed you. This incubator, if you are getting this incubator at this moment, this is 2026, it's worth about 6.5 million naira. It's big incubator for industrial use. You can see the number of eggs that can be hatched. It has hatcher, it has setter also. You can set the egg and at the same time hatch the eggs also. It is fully automated incubator. You can see the power controller here. It has power source, it has the humidity, it has the temperature, it has the power control, egg turner is here, everything is here. It's controlled by this power source. It turns the egg by itself and it controls the humidity by itself also. It can hatch the egg at the same time, set the egg for you within shortly, and you have the ability to set the type of egg you want. If it's turkey egg, you place turkey. If it's geese, you set geese. If it's pigeon, you set pigeon. If it's chicken, you place it. The incubator will set the temperature automatically to suit that particular egg you are hatching. This is fully automated. Call for it now. If you need incubator, send me a message on my WhatsApp line. I will continue from there. Please, only for those that are serious. This is the only way we can drop the cost of day old chicks in the market. If many farmers start hatching their eggs in their farm, it will reduce the demand for day old chicks and at the same time expand the scope of high productivity in poultry farming. Many farmers will be hatching and the old chicks will come down. Most of you that can rear up to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 to 10,000 broilers in your farm, you have the capacity to hatch in your farm also without buying the old chicks. Let's discuss on the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up, share this video to reach more poultry farmers. Even if you don't have the money to buy the incubator, share it to reach those that have the money so that when they start hatching their own, you that doesn't have the money will buy the old chicks at a lower rate. Instead of 2,300, 2,500, 500 at times, 600 at times, 800. You can see how it's fly up and down as if it is foreign exchange market. Let's get there. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.